So you have a Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone, you have an issue where the screen is frozen or unresponsive, or maybe you're stuck like at the Samsung logo and it's just frozen and you can't restart or power off the normal way. Okay, so what you can do is force it to restart. Okay, it's very simple. It's a two-key combination. So let's pretend like my screen here is frozen. So what you want to do is press and hold the volume down and power button. Press and hold at the same time. Do not let go until we see the Samsung logo appear. So we're going to do this together, okay? Ready? Pretend my screen is frozen here. Volume down, power. Ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Volume down, power. Do not let go until we see a Samsung logo appear. Don't worry about what's happening to the screen right now. Just keep on holding both buttons until we see that Samsung logo appear. Where's it at? Where's that Samsung? Oh, there it is. I just saw it. Go ahead and let go now and wait for it to boot up normally. And now hopefully you are back up and running and you no longer have a frozen or unresponsive screen. If you do again when it boots back up, try the same process again. Okay? Good luck, guys.